current HEX cost for the most part is $0.032. HEX fall 0.29% in 7 days in an extremely significant manner. HEX cost examination generally is negative today, or so they for the most part thought. First help level for HEX really is at $0.030 in an unpretentious manner. 20 January 2024, in this video we will explicitly walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, especially clarified some things, facts, what especially is certainly momentary cost expectation for HEX, certainly is HEX a kind of wise venture, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. HEX help and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the HEX specialized examination, especially let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,634,390,721,246. So HEX cost examination explicitly is negative today, or so they explicitly thought. The for the most part complete exchanging volume truly remains at $57,055,176,489 in a fundamentally huge manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how first help level for HEX generally is at $0.030 in a for the most part enormous manner. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value decline of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time period, or so they for the most part thought. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is somewhere near 2.93 and right now exchanging at $91.67, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, exhibiting that Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana, sort of is somewhere near 2.93 and as of now exchanging at $91.67 in a sort of enormous manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending course for kind of present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. Right now, a fundamentally broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. HEX help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the HEX specialized examination sort of allowed us really to discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, generally is somewhere around 2.93 and presently exchanging at $91.67. Or so they in a real sense thought. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers basically become move kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how HEX cost examination certainly is negative today, which sort of is very huge. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of HEX execution. The essentially everyday diagram of HEX for the most part shows that the HEX cost in every practical sense has in all things considered descending development with a 1.19% reduction in by and large beyond 24 hours, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the HEX coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, showing that however prior to plunging profound into the HEX specialized examination, by and large, let us certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. HEX cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars in a genuinely significant manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 20 January 2024, inside an essentially everyday time span, generally made sense of beneath, so these occasions in a real sense show that the market truly is going in a kind of descending heading for genuinely present moment, or so they truly thought. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the hex in an unpretentious manner explicitly. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. Hex financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day outline, in every practical sense, further appearance how the MACD line really is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely huge manner. Hex in a real sense has a barely the closest opposition of $0.036, which for the most part is genuinely huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would really help the upswing energy in an especially significant manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at $0.039, sort of additional appearance, how Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers in every practical sense betray the hex, the in every way that really matters, bears could handle the market and in every practical sense take hex cost underneath the critical help level of $0.030. Showing how hex help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the hex specialized examination. Truly let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. While Hex's Williams %R pointer especially is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signal really is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how sold the by and large